Introducing the Brustro Velvet Touch set of 6, the ultimate choice for artists seeking precision, versatility, and superior quality brushes for gouache and acrylic paints. These brushes mimic the characteristics of natural hair and can also be used for watercolor techniques. The short handle is engineered for artists who demand ultimate control and precision. Premium quality wooden handle with a sleek matte finish exude an air of sophistication. Having excellent spring and resilience, they snap back to their original shape after every stroke. The brush set includes 3 rounds, 1 dagger, 1 flat, and 1 filbert. It is the ideal brush set that is destined to become your trusted companion in your creative journey. Make every stroke count with Brustro Velvet Touch.